Hi, let's learn about basic English sentences. Now, if you meet somebody for the first time, you would say, hello, my friend. If it is a morning time, you would say, good morning. If it's an afternoon time, you would say, good afternoon. Or you could say, hi, how are you? So these are the sentences to start your conversation. Now, if you want to introduce yourself, you can say, my name is blah, blah, blah. Or you can say, I am. So these both sentences are correct. If you want to give your more information about your age, you can discuss your age by saying, I am 12 years old or 16 years old. And if you want to share your native place, you can also share that by saying, I am from Mumbai, India. Let's move to the questions. Now, if you want to ask some questions, what questions can you ask? What is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? Or what do you like to eat? What is your favorite color? Do you like dogs? Now, if you want to express your emotions, so you can say that I am happy today, or you can say I'm excited. If you want to say that I'm not happy, you would say I'm sad or I'm not happy today. And if you're not in a good mood, if you're angry, you would say I am angry today. I'm not happy, I'm angry on this person. So I'm angry. Let's move to the common responses to how are you question. If somebody asks you how are you, you would either say I am good, thanks, or you would say I'm fine, how about you? I'm doing great. Or you can say I'm great, thanks. I'm okay. I'm doing well. It's going well. These are the perfect answers for how are you question. Now, if you want to apologize somebody for something you've done, you can say, sorry. You could also say, I am sorry about that. My apologies. Apologies for the inconvenience you faced. Now, if you want to thank somebody for something they've done for you, you would say, thank you. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. That's very kind. I owe you one. And if you want to agree, if you show your agreement to somebody, you could use these sentences or words or phrases like absolutely right. Yes, definitely. I agree. That sounds good. Sounds perfect. So these are the sentences which would really help you to improve your communication skills. And I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.